Hello, beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day and are ready to spend some time with me. So get a little coffee, a little tea, a little snacky snack, or just some plain fruit water, some whatever, whatever you got, girl. Let's hang out. It's not gonna be too long, but I thought this would be fun because you guys know I live in a small New York City apartment. I've been in here for like a decade. And so in that time, I have really outgrown the place and I have tried so many ways to make it work, and I'm still doing that. I have a lot of little solutions and things that I've been doing, and you guys have seen my career grow and get more PR, which I'm so grateful for because I'm not rich, so it really helps to have the free stuff. But to show you guys how I organize, I thought it'd be fun to take you on a day of cleaning out my second closet. So this closet is my IKEA closet. So I have my regular built-in, which is part of my apartment, and that's where I keep my clothing, my luggage, my shoes. And then this second closet started as just a helpful little accessory and has quickly become a lifesaver over the years. And this is from IKEA. I just switched out the little handles, so I have gold handles instead. But you can see it's a IKEA, girl. Like the back of it is like falling off because I've been pushing it to its limit. But it's a really cute little closet. I added these little appliques, these little angel like cherub appliques. I'll leave those linked. I got those from Amazon years ago and I just glued them on. I changed the handles just to make it a little bit nicer. I've seen people like paint these and do a bunch of things, but I like it white. Anyway, point is I use this to store my earrings, jewelry, bathing suits, my purses, tote bags, summer things. So it's a little bit of an helpful for everything kind of situation. So I have some of my little purses hanging here that are more delicate that I don't want like stored on the other side of the closet. But then the main point of this closet is it's used for my PR and extra beauty products, my hair products, because those are so big, like the hair tools, the lighting, all that stuff. So you see I have some of my ring lights in here as well as some lighting things. I'll leave things linked down below. So the main point of this video was to kind of show you how I organize. So today I am cleaning these out and showing you how I get through my things, how I decide what I'm keeping, what I'm giving away. I donate a lot of my products, so I really don't have a lot of people to give my products to. My sister lives in another state. We don't really see each other, so I don't have the ability to give her many things. I give my mom a lot of things, but my mom gets overwhelmed. She's a glam girl like me, but she's definitely more pared down. So I try to give her stuff as much as I can, but she's always like, okay, I have enough. Like it takes months before she needs something new. So basically what I do is I go through my stuff, I organize, and then I take what I want for myself, because I do have to use a lot of the products myself, because obviously that's why I'm gifted the products, to review them and use them in my content. But there are just some products that either are not the right color or texture for me, or I just can't get through them. Like one person cannot possibly do everything themselves. So I give a lot of it to my super's wife. She's Mexican and she has family in Mexico, and I give her like boxes of products and she sends it to her family in Mexico. So that really makes me feel good, because I feel like even though I don't personally have anyone to give these things to, I donate a lot to her family, as well as people in my building. I leave a lot of products in my building. So what I'm doing is going through my containers. These are containers from Target. I will leave them down below. They're not the cheapest, but they're stackable. They're really good quality, so I highly recommend them. They're a lot cheaper than things from like Crate and Barrel, the Container Store. The Container Store is very expensive, so these were a really great alternative, and I love that they have like the handles on each side, so it makes it really easy to go through them. So the top organizers is where I keep all my hair products. So you see I kind of like stuff my hair scarves in this little bag, and then I keep all of my bobby pins, Q-tip, bobby pins, hair clips, and all that kind of stuff in little bags, and put those together. And then I have two separate containers for all of the hair tools, so the blow dryers, the curling irons, and everything like that. So I try to keep everything together. Now I have another container, and this one is kind of like seasonal palettes that I'm not sure I'm gonna use, or things that I'm keeping because they're like limited edition. So I was going through those to kind of decide what I wanted to keep, what I wanted to get rid of. Sometimes I throw things in here that I want to donate. So as you can see, I'm looking through and I'm grabbing things that I want to donate. And I will put those things aside and kind of make little piles. I'm an ADHD girly, so if you are too, you know the piles. You know the piles, girl. You know how we work. So here's another one where I've been throwing a lot of my PR, and this just helps me organize because sometimes you just can't take all the PR and put everything in its designated spot. I like to go through stuff and use things. So like I'll use up a shampoo before I put another shampoo in the shower kind of thing. So here's why I have like a lot of skincare. I like to organize each container as much as possible. So this one was specifically skincare. So I'm going through all the PR, and again, I'm very blessed. You don't have to remind me. I'm very blessed and I'm very, very grateful. So don't think I take this lightly. Like, this is a dream come true. Like I said, I'm a girl from the hood. I am not special. Well, I mean, we're all special in our own way, but you know what I'm saying. Like, I am not on some big shot stuff. I'm not rich, y'all. Like, a lot of you guys make more money than me, believe me. So I'm just reiterating, not to like leave a huge disclaimer, but I feel like it's necessary to reiterate that I am extremely grateful because I personally could not afford to buy all these products. A lot of times, like, I'll get PR and love it, but I can't even afford to repurchase it myself most of the time because it's just too much, you know? So I'm very grateful, believe me. So what I'm doing here is making sure that I'm going through and unboxing as many things as I need to unbox that I know I want to keep, or things that I'm going to give away. I mean, my husband uses a lot of these products as well. So I will take the things that I've unboxed and like put them in the bathroom or wherever they need to go. And then obviously I have all the boxes and those will get recycled. So these are the items that I'm keeping. And then these are the items that are going back in the closet for later when it's time to re-up on what I need. So here I'm just going through another one of the containers to start looking through and see if there's anything else I need to add to the skincare, because sometimes things get mixed up. So the skincare might end up where the nails are, or the makeup might end up where the skincare is. So again, now I'm going through this one to kind of see what I want to take out of where and just reorganize it. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'll shut up for a little while so you can just watch me organize. So now we're in the bathroom, and as I showed you guys, I grabbed some of the products that I wanted to try, and I am putting them in my bathroom. So I have some hair products, some skin products, and I'm just putting those where I think they go. So here is my cabinet in the bathroom where I have a lot of my skincare, and I have my little skincare organized with by color, the same way I have my closet organized. By the way, I do have a closet organization video, so if you are interested in that, let me know in the comments. I do have that. I have to edit it, but I color coordinate my closet, and I did like a little closet clean out video for my main closet as well. So let me know if you guys want to see that in the comments. So now I'm going through the makeup container, and I am organizing what I want to use. Again, this is just a basic little organization that I do. Once things pile up, I go through it, make sure that I'm organizing. Either like if I have a lot of makeup and I have an empty container, I will organize by like, okay, this is blushes, or this is face products, and then this is eye products, and I will organize it that way, just because sometimes it can be overwhelming to just dive into a bunch of products. So again, I will shush and just let you watch me organize. And this is kind of self-explanatory, but I also have a container that holds all of my nail products. So I'm just going through all the nail products, putting that everywhere it needs to go, organizing all my nail files. Again, all this stuff is linked to my Amazon. I will have the containers linked. I will have baskets linked. I will have some of my favorite nails linked. I'll link my Amazon storefront. So anything you need, I will link it. I'll even link my bed quilt, which is also from Target, if you are interested in that as well. So now this is how it's looking. Everything is kind of organized. As you can see, we have a skincare slash hair situation. We have another skincare one. So now I'm going to clean the closet. You can see it is yucky because, you know, months have passed of these containers being here, getting used. And I'm going to clean the entire inside of this closet with a towel. And I think I have like some soap and water on it, something simple because, you know, this is like cheap, fake stuff from IKEA. Like, let's be real. So you can't really like go crazy. You don't want to use like Ajax and bleach and alcohol, but some soap and water will get it nice and clean. So now I am going to stack these with nothing in the
Quite a safe company. All I need is a ride back. Where allegiance will never get me there first.
We better start climbing. Get up there.
I've got a counterspell from Cora.
And easily accessible. So the bottom will be the products that are new, that I haven't touched yet, that I don't want to touch yet, or that I don't need yet, like shampoo, skincare, doubles of products, things that I know I won't need for a while. And then the top will be my hair tools and things that I use often. Oh, this box here is actually my donation box. So this is the box I was telling you about that I will give to my super's wife, and she will donate all of this to her family in Mexico. So you see there's Drunk Elephant, Rare Beauty, Milani, Milk, Hard Candy, all types of products. I do not give just like, you know, the cheapest products. Like, I will give anything and everything I can that I either will not use or is the wrong color for me or I don't need. Now, this bag here was a bag that I was throwing PR in as it was coming and just like hanging it up on one of my doors so that I could go through it later. So again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm separating things in this little basket that I don't need or won't use, or colors that just aren't for me. And then whatever I'm keeping for myself to use later or to give to my mom, I'm putting back in one of the containers to go in the closet. So I hope this really helps you guys, give you an idea of how I organize my PR, how I go about using things. I'm trying to get better at incorporating new products into my content. So if you follow me on TikTok, you'll see I go live pretty often on TikTok to do my makeup, and that's where I will use a lot of these products. But I've also been trying to incorporate more beauty content on Instagram as well as here on YouTube again. So you will be seeing a lot more beauty content. If you didn't know, I mean, I started my career as a makeup artist. So beauty is really where my heart is. I love fashion. I love everything girly and cute and pretty, but I love beauty. It has a special place in my heart. So that is the final organized closet with everything back on its place. So you can see I have my bags up there, my bikinis hanging there. It just works better this way to kind of get the most out of this space in the closet, and it is so accessible for me now. And then on the bottom I have some hair extensions that I never use, my Dyson that I never use because I fell into the trap. But anyway, I hope this helps you guys. I hope this was helpful. If you need help organizing, how many times can I say helpful? I love you guys so much. Stay glam. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.